Youngstown, second here in Mujica, another good place for you, racing here in the Basque Country. I think that you are happy enough.
Yeah, today was full gas the whole day. There was many attacks and big groups going up the road. So yeah, no, I'm content. But in the end, it was very close. So I'm slightly frustrated because I feel I had the legs in the end to win. But the leader of the race had too much of a time gap, and in the end it was too much. But yeah, I'm happy with the legs, and yeah, I'm excited for the next races.
Hard race to control. Hard race to control.
See, yeah, really hard race. The climb of the day was super fast, and a tailwind, so it made it a lot harder to follow the wheels. And yeah, all day was just on, and not much time to recover.
Thank you. Good luck for next races.
Thank you.